How to turn off dwell on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your iPhone. Once you're here, scroll down to the Accessibility option and tap on it. Accessibility features help you customize your iPhone for your individual needs. Inside this menu, scroll down to the Physical and Motor section and tap on Touch. On the next screen, tap on Assistive Touch at the very top of the list. This allows you to use your iPhone if you have difficulty touching the screen. Now, scroll down to find Dwell Control. Here, turn off the Dwell Control feature as shown. You have now successfully turned off the Dwell feature. Following these steps, you can easily turn off Dwell on an iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.